Hi, Simon from Crystal Clear Mobile Restoration here. Just giving you a quick video on waterless wash process. This is a pretty beat up Magna station wagon, but as you can see it's pretty filthy. And here is a waterless wash solution, concentrate, watered down of course. So it's a matter of pretty thorough soaking. Let that sink in for a few seconds, bond with the dirt. This waterless wash is made up of special polymers and emulsifiers that are designed to bond with the dirt and lift it up above the surface of the paint. So for really pristine cars, which this is not, there is no scratching. So get a premium waterless wash, premium microfiber cloth, and you carefully, in one direction, wipe. You can see the dirt just lift off and you can immediately see the difference. I'll just roll the cloth to a fresh side, and again, light pressure wipe in one direction. The difference is immediate, and that's basically the waterless wash in action. I'll just buff this section I've already given a good waterless wash to in one direction, so it's safe to do this. As you can see, you can clearly see my image. Dirty, not dirty, all without water. My prices start from $120 for a basic waterless wash, which includes the tires, the wheels, and treating the glass that repels water. I offer 10% discount for pensioners, and I'm offering 10% off for July and August. Book now.